tomorrow we're going up north to a party at my nephew's second home, and it's going to be all the relatives, and everybody brings something. And you know, it's blueberry season, so somebody at work brought a delicious blueberry lemon bread, which is almost like a cake, right? And it was so good. So I thought, I'm going to make that and bring it for my relatives. So it's been a great blueberry season. I have 5 different bushes, different varieties, and they all mature a little bit differently. So we're enjoying a nice long blueberry season, and boy, are they delicious. Well, I'm out here in my berry garden. The sun's coming right down on my face here, and I'm picking some blueberries. I need 1 cup for each loaf of blueberry lemon bread. Now you can use frozen blueberries, but gosh, if you grow your own fresh blueberries, that's the best. So here's the ingredients. To make the bread, you're going to need 1/3 cup butter, melted, 1 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup milk, 1 cup fresh or frozen blueberries, and if you want to, you can add 1/2 cup chopped nuts, and 2 tablespoons grated lemon zest. Now I'm going to make a double recipe because I want to freeze one. So if you're making a single recipe, you're only using 2 eggs, but I'm doubling, so I'm using 4. And these are my chicken eggs. Just thought I'd show you, look. See the neat brown spots on that? It's speckled. And then I just love my little green eggs. This is just a medium beige one. And I have lighter beige too. But anyway, these are the eggs I'm using. So I've already broken the eggs and added my sugar and my lemon juice. And we're going to add our melted butter. Now we want to beat up the egg mixture, either with a hand mixer or a KitchenAid. We have our flour. We're going to add 2 teaspoons baking powder. Okay. And we need 1 teaspoon salt. Now let's just mix this up a little. Okay. Now you're going to alternate pouring in your flour mixture and your milk and beating it all nice. Now we need to put our lemon zest in. That's the same as lemon peel. If you have fresh, of course, that's great. And remember, I'm making a double recipe. Well, that's all the lemon zest I have, so it'll have to be enough. I'm going to fold that in. Okay. And we want to fold in our blueberries. Blue with that slightly lemon color just looks pretty. You're not mixing it, remember, you're only folding it in. Okay, that's pretty good. Grease these 2 pans well. I'm going to pour this in. Scrape off the edges here. Make sure we get it all out. like how there isn't as many blueberries there. So let's mix that around. Okay, this is looking good, very full of blueberries. And then what do I always do? Yes, I look at, even though it's got raw eggs. Good. Be sure to preheat your oven to 350. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about an hour to 70 minutes. Be back when it's done. So there they are out of the oven. Don't they look delicious? We're going to let them cool a little bit, and then we're going to make a nice lemon glaze for the top. Here we have 2 cups confectioner's sugar. We have 1/3 cup lemon juice. And we have 2 tablespoons butter. We're going to mix this together and possibly add 1 tablespoon water. We'll see how it goes. One thing I like to do is poke holes in this. And it just kind of allows the glaze to set in a little bit. Now we're just going to pour it over, and it's going to be pretty loose here. Let's just want to cover the whole top. And maybe the little sides too. And this will solidify. We want it kind of loose so it'll go in there. There, that should be pretty good. Now I'll let that harden. So it's the next morning, and I've sliced up the blueberry lemon bread, or the lemon blueberry bread, whichever you want to call it, and put it on the tray, and I'm going to wrap it with saran wrap and take it to my family party. Okay, but here's the other cake. I'm going to double foil wrap this and freeze it. So if something comes up, take it out of the freezer, it thaws pretty quick, and I have a great dessert bread. Bread out. Now, bring up both sides. Carefully. Now, I always double foil wrap. Just safer. Go that way. You don't want it to get any frostbite or anything like that. There we go. And then we just want to write on it. Okay, so I indicate that it's lemon blue for blueberry, and it's 718. And now I'm going to pop it in my freezer. So I hope you have the chance to make this blueberry lemon bread. It is really, really delicious and so moist. This is Potpourri saying please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video.